INTIMASIA has set a tone to tell the world that India is ready and ready for a big revolution in the textile apparel industry. The 5th edition also set a tone for the Make in India revolution in the category of hosiery and knitwear segment, where we've been able to show India's ability of producing best class innerwear, sleepwear, loungewear, activewear, sportswear. And here we also showcased not just the finished garments, but the entire supply chain. So we had fibers, fabrics, elastics, 2 brands all under one roof.
So we are very excited to come to this fair, INTIMASIA. It has been a great experience and we have collaborated with a lot of new brands even. So it's a very good experience for us.
There's been a very good response this year we have been seeing, because it's been after a long time a physical fair has been happening, which is a very good response we have been seeing here. The event has been good to showcase all our product range, which sometimes a lot of retailers across the country are not able to see at one go. So it's a good platform to meet and greet and showcase the all new product range, what has been launched.
INTIMASIA growing now in many folds and attracting international buyers to visit India and look at the capabilities of Indian manufacturers and offer them best products and also fulfill the country's vision of Make in India. Going forward, I see INTIMASIA growing into an international show. We had this time's edition with 300 companies exhibiting. Our 98% of participation was from India. But going forward, we will see a lot of international participation also in INTIMASIA. We will be opening our doors to international participation in the next edition.